My name is Vagn Nielsen, and I'm the corporate chef and one of the partners in Proof of the Pudding. Proof of the Pudding has been we've been in business for going on 35, 38 years, something like that, for many years. And I have been with Proof of the Pudding for 28 years. Of course, we work with a lot of different cookware in all our kitchens, but when I'm at home in my own kitchen, I really prefer to work with the Gastrolux cookware.
Hey, this is Vagn, and I'd like to welcome you back to my kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a Danish summer egg cake. You know, in Italy they call it frittata, and in Denmark we call it egg cake. The first thing we're gonna start is a nice warm skillet. And what I again like about the Gastrolux skillet is that you need to put almost no oil on. I got my little egg mixture, which is nothing but a little egg and a little half and half. I season it very lightly with a little salt and a little pepper. It's time to put it on your skillet and turn up the heat. Again, we only want to stir with something soft. In this case, it's a little rubber spatula. We're going to start our egg cake out just by running the spatula across the bottom. We're going to bake this one straight into our oven by removing the handle. Really what I like about this thing here, we put it right in here at 350, take the handle off and close the door. So now it's time to get our pan out, and look at this, this is such a great way in and out here. It's not done all the way, it's still a little soft. And just kind of put them on here, some different potatoes, some purple, some red and some white, wonderful fingerling potatoes, some few tomatoes on. And I don't like things to be lined up in order. I think it sometimes is not really doing the dishes justice. Put it back in the oven again. Take the lid off. And I'm gonna give it another 5 or 6 minutes. I'm gonna chop it with a little bacon. Of course, we could not put the bacon on from the beginning. The bacon is already cooked. And I'm gonna brush with just a little oil, just to give it a little shine and add a little flavor to the whole dish. And then I'm gonna chop it with a little arugula. Just like that. I'm gonna show you a very simple little technique here by removing the handle. I took some different herbs from my own garden here, and I'm gonna tie it up with a little chine here. Find a little sun-dried or dried tomato too in my refrigerator. So I'm just gonna tie it just like that, and now I can stick that right down here. That becomes like a little garnish to the skillet, and that's our egg cake with a little handle made out of herbs from the garden. Enjoy it and let us spise it.